Hi, my name's Christian Graham. I've been here for 3 years now. This is our new SWR by Novarc. It's a spool welding robot. It welds a pipe that would normally take a little over an hour to do in 8 minutes or less. Rolling really good. It's going to be a 2-passer. There we go. Running 25 volts, 190 amps. We're almost done with the root and we're only just under 2.5 minutes in. Coming up on attack again, we get the tack fusion. Still looking really well. Everything's going to plan. What would normally take a little over an hour, we just did in 5.5 minutes.